What's up guys, Flying Lake here, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another reaction video. Today we're going to be watching episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. I had a lot of fun, the first episode was amazing. My reaction video for the first one left a little bit to be desired, but you know, it's a learning experience, we'll definitely get there. I now know that I can probably make the video a little more clearer, and I can make the audio a little louder while still avoiding copyright for the most part. I mean, I didn't get any copyright stuff last time, but that was because the episode was pretty much just me. The translucency of the video plus the audio being low, it really kept, I was playing it safe. I think moving forward we can probably make the videos a little more daring. You know, we can make the video a little clearer, make the audio a little better. I know episode 1 it was a little low on both fronts. You know, I think we can keep going as we make more, as I make more and I edit more. I can find the threshold, really find the line for where to test YouTube's copyright stuff. And you know, listen, if I have to fight them about it, I'll do it. You know, I'll do it. I'm all about doing it for the content, you know what I mean? But yes, episode 2 of Chainsaw Man, I'm so excited. I have no idea what to expect. I know we're introduced to Mommy now, to Makima. Very excited to see more of her, obviously. Now Denji is actually, you know, Chainsaw Man. Very excited for that. Definitely let me know what you think about the episode in the comments. Also let me know down below what your favorite anime of all time is. I'd love to know what you guys have as your favorites, you know, get some more V perspective. Me, One Piece. It's always going to be One Piece. One Piece will always be #1 in my heart. Alright, let's get to the reaction, shall we? Oh, dude, oh my god, right away. Look at her eye, look at her eyeball, dude. It's fucking insane. Her fucking pupil is insane. Nice. Denji's still rocking the jorts. Love it, love it. I love how like excited he gets when she talks to him. It's sad but also adorable. I expect yes or woof for answers. I don't need a dog that says no.
What did he say?
Right. Listen. Listen. We don't judge here, right? No king shaming. No, obviously not. But this is okay. All right. Makima has not. She's not playing around. She, you know, she knows what she wants. She's fucking laying down the law, and honestly, I respect it. Makima, please step on me. I'm just, you know. Oh, dude, now he knows what it is to be Pochita. He's the Pochita now. Which begs the question what Pochita would be in this dynamic, but you know, whatever. Like a pyramid scheme. Oh, Makima the sugar mommy? All about it, dude. And she's gonna give him your jacket? Bro, come on, man. Just fall in love already. Oh, dude, look, you're right. I love her too, Denji. I love her too, bro. Also, ladies, and now you know, if you want a guy to like you, all you gotta do is just give him your blazer, and you're in. That's everything. Oh, pay for breakfast, and then give him your blazer. Those are the 2 steps. Those 2 steps, you're good. Udon? Nice. Dude, I love curry udon. Man, I can go for that shit. Oh, dude, just casually, you know? It's like the old yawn and reach around. It's like that. Look at Denji's down bad, bro. Oh, okay, so Pochita is his heart now. I see. Okay, that makes sense. But it being in there, okay. I really hope that doesn't mean Pochita's gone forever though, because I love it. It's fucking adorable. Is no one questioning also? Like the guy didn't question? Oh, nice. But she's still alive. Free my dog. Bro, someone get this guy some udon. What's he gotta do? See? See? He knows what's up. That does look good. Hell yeah. So polite. Oh, well, you know. It's really, that's really, you know, it's cute. Ah, Denji knows what's up. Look at him. Nice. They're so cute.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot that she said that he has to do that. I didn't expect him to actually woof. Oh, Denji, bro. I mean, again, I can't really blame him. I was just not ready for it to happen. Okay, all right. Nice, right to the point. Okay. Oh, oh. Dude, that's me. Same. Oh, new thread? Hell yeah. Oh, who's it? Oh, no, oh, dude, sweet. He's giving me Shikamaru vibes. At least you know, listen, you gotta respect the guy who knows what he wants. Flick. I question that guy's sword. The sheath looks very round, which is weird. I wonder if it's like a fencing sword or something. Also reminds me a little bit of somebody else. Oh, right? Oh, bro is okay. All right, this is what we're doing right now. Okay. Yeah, I don't know who he reminds me of. I can't put my finger on it. Alright, well, at least he's trying to be nice in his own way, I guess. Oh my god. Well, that seemed a little unnecessary. Alright. That was fucking... I like how bro didn't even finish smoking a cigarette to get another one then. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Denji, no. That hurt my balls. Jesus Christ. Denji fucking plays dirty, dude. Denji don't fuck around, man. Oh my, stop, Denji, no, stop. It's nuts or nothing, dude. I want that on a t-shirt. It's nuts or no. Fuck, dude. Alright. You know what? Yeah, again, gotta respect it. You gotta respect it, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Bro, listen. Getting hit that many times in the dick, you know, can take you out, man. Surprised he didn't go for the dick back, you know? Oh, bro, come on. Listen, you gotta protect the McNuggets.
You gotta always protect the McNuggets.
God, it's bro. Nice, nice. Way to deflect. Way to deflect, Denji. A devil kicked him in the balls. I swear. Oh no, dude, that's it's gonna be so sticky. Oh, Denji. I mean, I get it, you know, I understand, but I just can imagine how sticky it's gonna be. Also, opening all of those jam jars at once. Oh god. Fucking love Denji. Did he use the whole? He used the whole roll? Oh my god. Bro's butthole is clean as a whistle. Alright, well. I mean, if he's gonna turn thing, why does he need the axe? I mean, I guess, you know, if he doesn't, it'll guess otherwise it'll destroy his clothes. Like it's like a Hulk situation. I also like the idea. Oh, hold on. Hey, Denji's down bad, bro. Jesus. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, dude, in the spank bank. Hell yeah. God. Nice. I mean, listen. No, he just met her, got a hug. That's not out of the question. Bro is being horny on main. Oh my god. I love her. Power? Oh my god, I love power. I love power. Oh my god, bro. Dude, another one with really cool eyes. I like that. Oh, don't, no, 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 not the cat. Don't do it. Don't kill the cat, please. Please don't kill the cat. Okay, we're good. Oof. I absolutely love Power. She's a great time. She's a great time. Oh, Bloodhammer. Hell yeah. Love that. Oh my god. Well, okay. Very, very unhinged. I have the most confused arousal right now. These episodes feel so short. That was it. I feel like, how was that 20 minutes? I guess I don't know what it is that makes them feel like, I feel like I barely had any time passed, but a lot did happen, to be fair. Denji, you know, Denji got some new digs. Listen, I'm so happy for Denji after seeing what bro was going through. At least him getting, you know, a roof over his head, a proper one, you know, meals, taking a bath, you know, I love that for him. Love that for him. We love Makima. We love Power. What's the other dude's name? Hayakawa? Is that his name? He's pretty cool. I can't put my finger on it who he looks like to me. What other character he reminds me of. I don't know whether it's like just his look or combination of his look, his demeanor, and his voice. I don't know, but it'll be interesting to see. I think he's like, there's always going to be that character, right? He's like so far he's sort of the only heel for Denji to deal with. At least like that's not a devil. But yeah, those are good. I like that a lot. I definitely like that a lot. I need to know more about Power immediately. I love her. She's amazing. I remember seeing memes about how the dynamic between Makima and Denji. I didn't know it was like literally he's her dog, which is, you know, it's each their own, right? If Denji's if Denji's into that and if Makima's into that, that's their business. I will just watch. That sounds creepy. I will just, you know, let them be. You know, I'm not even gonna worry about it. Not even gonna worry about it. But it is very exciting. Episode 3, you know, get to see. I'm assuming there's more people on their team, right? So his unit. So it's them 3 so far. I'm assuming there's gonna be more people. At least one more, probably, right? I think I remember seeing one more in the opening. I think it's a girl with dark hair. But that's, you know, it's exciting. Hopefully we'll get to see Denji transform again at some point. Maybe when there's not porno mags around, so you know he can make a mess without any problem. It's funny though, he had no problem making an absolute mess in the kitchen, making that insane toast. But as soon as there's dirty mags, you gotta protect those. I get it. You know, I get it. I remember also, I was thinking back to the last episode. I was trying to figure out like what time period, like when this show, like the anime takes place. So they have phone booths and they have still have like magazine porn. It's hard to gauge so far. It looks pretty modern. I don't know if it matters, but I'm assuming it's like early to mid 2000s probably. Something like that. Yeah, something like that probably. Well, friends, let me know what you thought of the episode. Let me know what you thought of the reaction video. Make sure to like and subscribe as well. Share with your friends. You know, share with your fellow weebs. And yeah, we'll be back for episode 3. I'm very excited. I think this only is going to be a 12 episode run. I don't think they've said it. I've seen anything that has said otherwise. So it's going to be an action-packed 12 episodes. Oh man, it's going to be wild. Definitely going to be wild. So yeah, friends, that'll be all for today. See you next time.